Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can find hidden apps in the App Store on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, open up App Store. So in here, I'm going to open up App Store. Or you can open up App Store from the app library. Next, tap on the profile icon at the top, and then tap on your Apple account name at the top here. Then on the next screen, you want to scroll down and tap on hidden purchases, and then go down or go through the list and unhide any apps that you want to unhide. And that is how you can find and locate hidden apps from the App Store on the iPhone 14 series. And if you want, you can unhide them as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.